Hi everyone, welcome to my world. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make such a cool headbands from your old t-shirts. So without any further delay, let's get started.
For this headband, I have taken the girl's old t-shirt. First of all, we have to remove that seam at the bottom of the t-shirt. You can fold the t-shirt and then cut the strip as it makes the job easier. Now we have to cut 3 strips from the t-shirt. Each strips about half inches from the width. Stretch each of the strips like this so that they curl inwards. So now you can see the difference between stretched one and unstretched strips. After that, gather the 3 strips like this and cut them open from both the ends. So now you will have 6 strips. Then divide them into 2 groups of 3 strips each. Lay one of these in the shape of loop like this and the other one in U shape over the loop. Now notice that loop has 2 legs, upper and the lower. On the side of the lower leg, pass the arm of the U under the lower of loop and pass the other arm of the U under the upper part of the loop. Then take the first arm of the U over the loop and under the second arm of the U and out like this. Now the basic knot is ready, and then just pull out the strips from the corners in order to tighten the knot. Now our basic knot is ready. Then we have to connect these strips. Now we have to take the remaining t-shirt and cut the 2 strips and cut out one rectangular piece about 4 or 5 inches and stretch them so they curl inwards. Now place the both strips end of the band like this. You can paste them from the fabric glue or you can stitch them also. So I am using the fabric glue. If you don't have fabric glue, then you can stitch them also. Finally, take the rectangular piece and fold it from the 2 sides. So I am pasting them with the help of glue, fabric glue. Now we have to take ends of the band and place over the rectangular piece like this. Now finally fold the other sides of the rectangular piece like this. And now pretty knotted hairband is ready. Now let's move to other band. It's like a turban band. So we have to take remaining t-shirt. So we have to fold like this, and we have to cut about 4 to 5 inches strips, and we will cut 2 strips only about 4 to 5 inches like this. So we have 2 strips and we have to open them and cut out from the ends. So now we have to paste both the length sides of both the strips, or if you don't have glue, fabric glue, then you can stitch them also. Now we have to attach the safety pin from the one side, so that we can pull out the good side of the strip. So now we have to pushing the safety pin inside and pull out and pull down the strips like this I am doing. So now our good side of the strip is out now, and then remove the safety pin. So we have to do same thing with both the strips. Now place one strip over the other like the sign of plus. Fold one strip over the other like this. Now bring both the edges of band together and join all the 4 edges by stitching like this. So now our turban hairband is ready. I hope you guys will like this video. I will see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.